Good morning, guys. It is around 8 o'clock in the morning, and as you've probably seen from the title of this video, this is a vlog, and today I have an appointment at 9:30 with Scully. Scully is a tattoo artist and he also does piercings in the knee. So I'm gonna pierce my nose. I don't know what I found out what it was called, but I forgot. Like, I'm gonna pierce here, maybe get another tattoo. I don't know. I'm kidding. I don't think I have the budget for a new tattoo and a piercing, but yeah, I'm currently getting ready, and then me and my sister are gonna go because she also wants to get her nose pierced, so we're gonna go and do that. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we get to the place because I'm very late, so I don't think I'll vlog even after. I just want to quickly shower and get dressed so I can go. So yeah, see you guys soon.
If I was damaged, would you love me the same? Would you vanish? Or would you not be ashamed to see me manic? Would you bring me back down when I panic? Could you be my Zanny? Without the liquor, we don't know how to behave. Touch of a finger, and you can make me insane. But when I'm sober, would you love me that way? Cause I'd be lower. Don't want you to be the same. You and I, we could fly so high, we'll never die. I promise you.
Guys, my sister's putting on the numbing cream because she's going to pierce her nose also, and then I'm also going to pierce mine, and then I'm gonna put the numbing cream because I want the one that goes down here.
Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Been so long for niggas so cheap, and your flex OD and sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Flew the coupe at 17, no bodies. You be staying low, but you know what the fight is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Poppin' shit, but only cause you know you poppin', yeah. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Little baby in the back in a Birkin. No no games, play no games. Fuck around, get my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. You wanna go home? Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. Cause I don't wanna play no games, play no games. I don't wanna. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Freaky, I can learn a lot from you, gotta come teach me. You a little hot girl, you a little sweetie. Sweet like Pearland, sweet like Peachtree. Like that. I can tell you crazy, but she kinda intrigue me. Yeah, I like that. Seen it on the gram, tryna see that shit in 3D, mommy. I know I get around cause I like to move freely. But you can lock it down, I can tell her how you treat me. Seen how you did, homeboy, so please take it easy. Good to have me on your side, I ain't saying that you need me. Yeah. Since God told, but I ain't tryna get preachy. No, no. I seen how you did, homeboy, please take it easy on me. Cause I don't wanna play no games, play no games. I don't wanna play no games. You wanna go home? Hey. 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 I don't wanna play no games, play no games. I don't wanna. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. You got it, girl, you got it. You got
guys. So I'm back from the tattoo artist. I don't know if you guys could tell from the clip that I inserted while we were at the tattoo artist, but I couldn't get my nose pierced because he didn't have the ring, the ring that goes here. He only had studs, and so yeah, I couldn't pierce my nose, but I did set an appointment. But judging from the way my sister was reacting from when she was getting her nose pierced, I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Oh, my room is such a mess. But honestly, I don't know. We'll have to see. But yeah, this is the tattoo that I got. It says believe. And yeah, man, it just basically is just like a confirmation in a way, or just a reminder to always believe that I am destined for greatness, that anything that I want I can become, that great things are coming my way, that I deserve good things, I deserve good people around me, I deserve all the greatness. So it's just a reminder to say believe. So yeah, we're done. She's healing. This is the fastest. I don't know if maybe it's because of the part where I got the tattoo, but I feel like, or maybe it's because I forgot, because the last two tattoos that I got in 2013. So it's either I forgot how quickly they heal, or this one just heals quickly, because it's almost healed. Like I don't feel any pain. The swelling has gone. I'll insert a picture of when I got it, because now it's hours later. But yeah, it's healing quite well. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next part of this video. Bye. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm currently putting some Vaseline. He said I should put some Vaseline on my tattoo, but I'm not sure if this one is okay. The last time when I did my other tattoos, the guy that did them told me to put on Zambak. Now this one told me to put on Vaseline, but I don't know. So I'm just gonna use this aloe, and I mean aloe is good, miss. Why is it not? Aloe is good. So it is currently now Saturday morning. As you probably can hear by the birds outside, I've already opened my window because if I tell you the paint from this headboard has not, I don't know, it probably doesn't smell anymore, but because I've got sinuses and every little smell just triggers me. So every morning when I wake up and then I go to the bathroom, only when I go to the bathroom then I come back and I'm like, it smells like paint in here, so I open up the windows. But yeah, it is currently 7 o'clock in the morning on a Saturday, and today I'm doing nothing. I have plans with my neighbor who happens to be also a friend. I'm sure you guys remember I went cooking. I went cooking to her place when I ran out of gas at that time. So if you haven't watched that video, I'll make sure I link the video somewhere up here, or up there. I'm not quite sure. But yeah, so we have plans today because it's been a rainy weekend, and we haven't had like a chilled weekend. Also, I'm on leave from work, so I want to make it feel as more relaxed as possible, even though I'm still at my place. So yeah, today we have plans to just sit and watch movies, Christmas movies, romantic movies, chick flicks, whatever, and eat junk. So that's what our plan is. So she'll probably be coming at around like, oh my goodness, that flying thing just, I opened the window and I opened the curtain, so now that flying thing just, oh my goodness, it looks like a fly. I don't know what it's called, but anyway, so that's what we have planned for today. And then she'll probably come around like after breakfast, and then yeah, we'll watch some movies, staying in our pajamas because it's raining. I shouldn't say this, but I don't feel like bathing. I don't feel like bathing. We'll see. So yeah, I'll see you guys later.
To be honest with the kids and tell them about the divorce and move on. Now is not the time, Rosie. I haven't seen Quentin in 4 years. I am not doing anything to upset him. It's never a good time for you. Rosie, where are the grapes? In the freezer. Good. The kids love those frozen grapes.
But I started eating frozen grapes from this movie, and it's actually nice. It tastes a bit like him. Is that mine? He didn't bring spoons, he brought. So we ordered ice cream, but apparently he brought straws instead of spoons.
They were driving up.
I know this looks like a lot of food for 2 people, guys, but this is what happens when you.
But we're not gonna eat it all.
Why are you saying you're not gonna eat it all? I'll show you guys when the food is finished, so you can see.
You got the mama's boy. Happy Valentine's Day, sweetie. And you too, Mom.
So right now I'm just catching up on some YouTube videos, watching other YouTubers. I found a YouTuber from Limpopo. She's in Polokwane, so it's so exciting. And I used to stay in Polokwane, so just watching all these places that she goes to is just so interesting. Like, oh, I've been there before and stuff like that. But anyway, so that's what I'm doing. It's a very boring like weekend. It's raining outside and my friend over there is sleeping, so it's just me watching YouTube. I'll see you guys on the next part of this vlog. See what time it is now. It's 15:43 and I'm done watching my movies. It has been such a lazy day, guys. Honestly, if I tell you, I haven't, let me show you. I have not made my bed. It is such a mess. My curtain is falling off over there, so it needs fixing. And also I broke my mobile tripod, so I'm using this big tripod to vlog. Can you imagine? I wonder if I can take it like in public with. But anyway, so it is Saturday afternoon and I just feel so tired right now. I haven't showered the whole day. I haven't showered the whole day because me and my friend was like, we're gonna order junk food and then we're gonna stay in our pajamas and watch movies all day. But now she's sleeping and I'm feeling kind of dirty, so I just want to shower and then yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna cut off the vlog right now or not. I don't know if it's long enough, but anyway, do you guys like my new set? It says Believe, which is such a, not a funny story, but it's such a coincidence regarding the video that I put up a few days ago about being spiritual and believing and having faith and all those things. So when I went to the, but anyway, it's fine. I'm sure I've already explained the tattoo issue on the other part of this vlog, but yeah, let me go get ready and I'll talk to you guys soon. Hi guys, and welcome back. I'm having some tropical. So I'm done bathing now. First things first, gotta take care of the new baby. The reason why I put I don't know if it's probably gonna be upside down, so I don't know how to show you guys. So there you go. The reason why I chose to write the words or the word believe on my new tattoo, the cross, is because I needed something to like remind me. So I'm gonna look at the screen because I want to put on mask. I want to put on mask because I haven't in the longest time. No, ooh, guys, I haven't in the longest time, so I just felt like I need to put on mask. The reason why I chose the words believe is because I want to remind myself to like always believe that I am destined for better. Always believe that better things are supposed to happen to me and that they will happen to me, and always believe that everything that I want will happen, you know. Everything that I dream of or everything that I wish for is mine, and it's just a matter of time until I receive it. And yeah, just to remind me to do that, I want another one that says dream. I just don't know where I'm gonna put it, because I also want it in a place where I'll always like remember every time I see it. But I feel like I have enough tattoos. It's not enough, it's just two, because this one says Neo, it's my son's name. But for some reason I just feel like I need another. It is too much also, but I do need another one that says dream, just, you know, as a reminder. But I'll see, probably in the new year. This one is a bit overdue, and also I did not really plan for it to have it done, although I knew it might be a possibility, because it will depend on how I feel when I get there. But that was not the plan at all. That was not the plan. The plan was to pierce my nose, but the piercing that I wanted, I don't know what they call it. I have to Google it and then insert it somewhere on this video. But basically you pierce under here. So the guy didn't have the equipment for that one. He didn't have the ring to put on it. All he had was studs. So I just felt like, since while I'm here, I might as well get a new tattoo. So that's how it went. Although it has been a plan. The plan was actually to get like a tattoo that says dream, believe, faith, or faith, dream, believe. I don't know, those 3 words. But yeah, sometimes you plan for things and it just doesn't happen like that. But I'm not angry. I'm very happy with this tattoo. I love it. She's beautiful. She's beautiful. I think she's my most favorite out of the 3. So beautiful. And also because she's very dark, because it's still new. So that darkness, like, just, oh man, I love it. I love it. I love it. It's interesting. It's gonna be interesting what my mom thinks of the 2, because I'm gonna see her when I go home for Christmas. So it'll be interesting just to hear what she thinks, you know, because I know she wasn't happy with, not that she wasn't happy, but like, what parent will be happy with their child having tattoos, really, except for me, because I'm already a parent with tattoos. So, but yeah, guys, I think I'm gonna end the vlog here. I thought I would vlog until Sunday, but I keep forgetting to vlog the whole weekend. That's why you guys have like bits and pieces of this whole thing. So yeah, we'll continue some other time. So I'll end this here. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, for subscribing and liking my videos. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.